familia, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So as you guys can see from the title, today I'm actually doing a bonus video. I don't post on the weekends, not specifically on Sundays. Sundays I take off completely from social media. I try not to do anything on social media. But today it is the finale for the Graveyard Project Pan. This was created by the beautiful Emily here on YouTube. Everything you'll need to know is linked down below in the description box. I believe she is going to bring this back next year. So if you are interested in this Project Pan, you can join, and I believe it'll start in April like it has in the past. So you have a few months to figure this out if you are interested in joining. So today I have my products, the finale for all the products that I have. I'm very excited about this update, or finale I should say, because I feel good about it. I do feel good about it. So if that's something that interests you, stay tuned. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash of Project Pan. That is something that interests you. Subscribe, join us. And now let's get on with this finale. You guys, I made it through the intro without having any lipstick on my teeth. It must be a good day. Must be a good day to have a good day. All right, you guys. So typically I would have 6 products in this Project Pan, but in the last update, if I remember correctly, I did not want to roll something in knowing that it was going to be the finale in 2 months. So I just figured, let me just relax and try to do what I can with the 5 products that I have. So here we go. First off is my Milani Luminoso. My goal was to wear down the dome. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I did a pretty good job at wearing it down. It's not completely flat, like all the way around, but I did a decent job. I'll show you guys a photo of the intro to now, and I know that you can see some progress on it. This is a beautiful blush. I am intending on panning this by next year. My goal last year was to try to pan it this year, but at least I got it in a Project Pan, and that makes me happy. So I am going to roll this out and just bring it in whenever I want to, but I do want to eventually finish this completely off. It is my oldest blush. Up next is a very difficult product, you guys. This was the Bobbi Brown Bronzing Powder in Medium 2. My goal was just to try to get more use out of this. Try to hit pan, yeah, that is impossible. This is what this product looks like now. Let me tell you, this is a very tiny bronzer, but holy crap, does it pack a punch. This is super pigmented. It is medium color. So in all actuality, I probably am a light bronzer. This came in some sort of gift with purchase, so obviously I didn't choose it. But it's a beautiful formula. It's just so pigmented that I realized I was not gonna hit pan. I feel like a little dip, but yeah, this little sucker is going to make me work real hard to pan this. Other bronzers that I have are not as difficult as this one, and this one is going to be difficult. I realize I can only wear this in the deepest portions or deepest times I am as far as skin tone throughout the year, so I can't wear this now. I had to stop using it because it was just way too dark and it looked terrible on me. So I didn't get a chance to even use it in the whole month of October just because I'm losing a lot of my tan is almost all gone. So this, yeah, I'm gonna roll this out. Maybe for next summer, I'll probably roll this in some Project Pan to try to finish it off, because this one, it's beautiful, but it's deep. It's deep. Up next is my Kat Von D Immortal Love eyeliner. This is what I wear as a tight line. I will have measurements. I did sharpen it once or twice since I rolled it into the Project Pan, so I know there's some progress, not a lot, and I didn't expect to have a ton of progress either. It is an eyeliner. It's beautiful, and it's still going strong after so many years of it sitting around in a palette hidden. But it's good. I really like it. It's creamy and it works just fine. So I'm going to continue to use it until it's officially done and over with, because there's no problem with it. Why would I? Last 2 products. The first one that I do have is my Milani Easy Liner in Most Natural. My goal was to finish this off, and you guys, it is done. It is officially done. We no longer have any more product in here. This was my last true nude in my collection. I realize that I do not have any more true nudes in my collection. I may or may not purchase a lip liner just to have a nude, because I feel like a nude goes with everything. As you guys know, I just pan a lip liner and then work with whatever lip liner or lipsticks I want to use, but it is harder to pan a darker lip liner than it is a nude. This one was nice. they don't make this one anymore, at least this easy retractable. I believe they have a new line and it might be in that color, but this one's old and I'm glad I used it up. So this will be my empties for the end of the year. My last product that I do have is my Maybelline Color Tattoo in Nude Pink. I wanted to expand the pan in here. I am wearing this today. I haven't necessarily worn this every day because I also have other cream and liquid eyeshadows in other project pans that I need to rotate, and I don't like to double it up on my eyes and it looks all crepey and nasty. But you guys can see, I'll show you a picture of what it looked like before. This is definitely expanded. This is just like in the center, it's just like extra excess. I'll show you. Let me move this on over and then you guys can see. See what I mean? So we've expanded it and I am currently scraping at the edges of this. I still have a good few months left of this. This is not done yet. This is not going to be another week or two. This is going to take me a little bit longer. I enjoy it. It's still creamy, you guys. It's creamy. It's just creamy and I like it. I'm wearing it today as a base and it looks nice. It looks great. I want to finish this off because I want to get to the next one, which is my Just Beige. I rotate and I have about 5 of each left. So I do have quite a bit of these left. I already panned one of each of these. This is my third one of this color to pan. So I want to finish this off eventually, but for this project pan, I wanted to expand it a little bit more, see what I can do with it, and I did a good job, you guys. I did a really nice job. I'm proud of myself because this color tattoo was brand new in the beginning of this year, so that isn't that bad. Normally, these take me a full year if I'm dedicated, but I don't necessarily use this every single day because I do have other ones in other project pans. Alrighty, you guys, that is it. So at least I have one empty in this project pan, which makes me happy. That's one more thing out of my collection at the end of this year. It's very exciting. Some of these may be done next year, which is fine as well, but at least I got a head start for next year. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Emily for allowing me to join again this year. More videos on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.